Hello and welcome back to How It's Made. Every year, billions of tubes of toothpaste are manufactured globally. Toothpaste contains abrasive materials that effectively clean teeth, requiring a substantial amount of minerals sourced from rock. The process involves mixing these hard minerals to create a smooth, mint-flavored paste and designing distinctive stripes. Colgate is a renowned brand for its toothpaste, which helps prevent dental issues like cavities and bad breath. It's available in supermarkets and numerous small businesses across more than 150 countries worldwide. Founded in 1806 by William Colgate, an English immigrant, the company originally started as a modest soap and candle business in New York. Colgate's commitment to quality and innovation soon expanded its product range. By the mid-19th century, the company began producing scented soaps and toothpaste, a pivotal product for its future success. The introduction of toothpaste in a tube in 1873 marked a significant advancement in personal dental care. At that time, toothpaste was typically sold in jars, which were less convenient compared to today's tubes packaging. Colgate's dedication to specifications and scientific research aimed at enhancing its products led to the development of a more effective and better-tasting toothpaste throughout the 20th century. The introduction of innovations like fluoride toothpaste was a significant step forward in combating dental cavities. Colgate's global expansion gained momentum during the 20th century, establishing itself as a leader in the oral care market. Its products became household staples across multiple countries, reflecting its widespread adoption. Modern toothpaste offers numerous benefits, including teeth whitening and protection against gum diseases and cavities. The manufacturing process is a fascinating blend of chemistry and mechanics. It begins with combining abrasive substances like rock and sand, which form the core of dental cleaning. The production of fluoride-enriched toothpaste starts at facilities such as the Colgate plant on the outskirts of London. Here, a precise industrial process unfolds daily, producing up to 1 million tubes of toothpaste. The factory receives toothpaste ingredients delivered by trucks due to the massive global demand for these essential oral care products. The factory receives the primary ingredients essential for creating the toothpaste. These typically include sodium fluoride to prevent cavities, abrasives like silica, calcium carbonate, or sodium bicarbonate for mechanical cleaning. The process begins with unloading sacks containing these valuable toothpaste materials. Water, the solvent, dissolves all ingredients alongside flavoring the taste and scent colorants for aesthetics, foaming agents, binders for consistency, pH regulators, moisturizers to prevent drying, and preservatives to extend shelf life. Accurately measuring these chemicals in precise quantities is crucial, given that some are used in tons while in others in kilograms. Once weighed and measured meticulously, these ingredients are combined in a high-capacity mixer, a specialized machine designed to uniformly integrate components. Powerful mixers come into play, capable of blending large quantities of astonishing speeds, moving 5 tons in just 5 minutes. These machines not only crush and blend the raw materials, but also ensure millimeter precision, incorporating gel to homogenize the mixture. Central to the process are massive agitators spinning at 2,500 revolutions per minute, generating forces equivalent to a car traveling at 30 kilometers an hour. These tanks form the heart of the operation, ensuring thorough mixing and consistency in the toothpaste production process. In the tanks, the ingredients form a dough-like substance once fully combined. The mixture then undergoes cooking in a large aluminum pot to prevent any unwanted chemical reactions. Each batch yields enough toothpaste to fill approximately 30,000 tubes, emphasizing the need for precision to prevent lumps that could affect quality. When opened, the pot resembles a large bowl filled with frosting, requiring spatulas to scrape excess off the mixing blades. Achieving the desired consistency is crucial before the toothpaste moves through the intricate pipeline to pressurized chambers for tube packaging. A critical addition at this stage is the introduction of colored stripes, though they lack active ingredients. Ensuring these stripes remains indistinct with the blending into the white paste is a challenge tackled in the laboratory. Viscosity tests are conducted to ensure the paste flows perfectly, retaining the integrity of the stripes. Buyer preference for stripe varieties over plain products guides the process. Synthetic red and blue hues, though initially stark, blend seamlessly into the base mixture, becoming less noticeable in the finished stripes. Toothpaste comes in a various colors and flavors, with mint being among the most popular. Chemists incorporate essential oils to achieve different flavors, meticulously adjusting the amounts to recreate specific tastes. A dedicated testing department rigorously checks each box, focusing on viscosity to maintain quality standards. Once confirmed, the toothpaste undergoes a final step where the separate dispensers meticulously insert the stripes into the tubes without interference, ensuring that the finished product meets consumer expectations for both aesthetics and performance. Toothpaste is conveyed through pipelines to a filling machine, which accurately doses and dispenses it evenly into each tube. Different colored pastes enter the system through separate pipelines. The machine operates at speeds of filling 1,000 tubes per minute, injecting 3 pastes side by side without physically blending due to the viscosity. Approximately 70 grams of toothpaste are dispensed into each tube. Once filled, each tube is tightly sealed to maintain freshness and protect against external contaminants. A sample from each batch is evaluated before proceeding. But how does toothpaste clean your teeth? Toothpaste achieves cleaning through 2 methods, chemical and mechanical. Certain substances in the toothpaste interact with bacteria and debris in the teeth, breaking them down. Additionally, tiny abrasive particles mechanically scrub the teeth during brushing. After filling, sealing, and marking, tubes are arranged on a conveyor belt in groups of 15. A machine rotates each tube to ensure that each brand is correctly positioned, a critical step in avoiding sealing errors. Sealed tubes are then grouped into boxes which undergo a weight check to ensure accuracy. Each box should weigh just over 1,350 grams. Any underweight box is immediately rejected. Only fully packed boxes are sealed and prepared for distribution and sale in the market. Toothpaste has evolved significantly since its humble beginnings, becoming an essential part of daily oral hygiene routines worldwide. Meanwhile, toothpaste formulations are carefully crafted to not only clean the teeth, but also address various oral health needs, from cavity prevention to teeth whitening and sensitivity relief. One of the primary functions of toothpaste today is the ability to clean teeth effectively. It contains abrasive agents like silica, calcium carbonate, and sodium bicarbonate, which help scrub away plaque, bacteria, and food particles from the tooth surface. These abrasive particles are finely ground to ensure that they clean without damaging the tooth enamel. Moreover, toothpaste plays a crucial role in preventing dental cavities. More toothpaste brands include fluoride, a key ingredient endorsed by dental professionals for its cavity-fighting properties. Fluoride helps strengthen teeth enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks from plaque bacteria. This preventative action significantly reduces the risk of tooth decay and cavities, particularly when used in consistency with a proper brushing technique. For individuals with sensitive teeth, toothpaste formulations also include ingredients that help alleviate discomfort. Potassium nitrate or strontium chloride are often added to the desensitized nerve endings in the teeth, reducing sensitivity to hot, cold, or sweet foods and drinks. Another common feature of modern toothpaste is its role in maintaining fresh breath. Toothpaste contains flavoring agents such as mint or spearmint oils, which leaves a pleasant taste and fresh sensation in the mouth after brushing. These flavors not only mask bad breath temporarily, but also contribute to a feeling of cleanliness and freshness. Beyond basic cleaning and oral health benefits, toothpaste formulations have diversified to cater to specific consumer preferences or needs. For example, whitening toothpaste has gained popularity for its ability to gently remove surface stains and restore natural tooth color. These products often contain mild abrasives or polishing agents along with hydrogen peroxide or other bleaching agents to achieve a brighter smile over time. Additionally, natural and organic toothpaste options have emerged in response to growing consumer demand for products free from artificial ingredients like fluoride, sulfates, or artificial sweeteners. These formulations typically utilize natural abrasives such as baking soda or clay, or in botanical extracts like tea tree oil or aloe vera in their antibacterial soothing properties. In recent years, advancement in dental research and technology have influenced toothpaste innovation further. For instance, some toothpaste brands incorporate probiotics to support oral microbiome balance, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath. Toothpaste has evolved into a multifunctional product tailored to meet diverse oral health needs, while also providing a refreshing and enjoyable brushing experience. From cavity prevention and sensitivity relief to tooth whitening and fresh breath maintenance, modern toothpaste continues to play a pivotal role in promoting overall dental hygiene and well-being. Its ongoing development reflects a commitment to improving oral health outcomes and enhancing the daily oral care routines of people worldwide. If you found this video helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up and sharing it with others interested in learning about the production of everyday items. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to keep discovering fascinating topics.